Good morning, students. I am Nir Sarkar, Assistant Professor of Siliguri Torai B.Ed College and Siliguri Primary Teachers Training College. Today, I will discuss DLED Part 1 English, Unit 7, Fluency, Appropriacy and Accuracy. First of all, what is fluency? Fluency is the flow and efficiency with which you express your ideas, particularly when speaking. A few grammar mistakes may appear here and there in the explanation, but it would be delivered in a way that is easy to understand and show how comfortable you are with the language. In the academic or even in professional setting, this is one of the skills to focus on for oral presentation or debate. The way you explain your topic or prove your point, smooth, clear and concise, without too many pause or hesitation, is as important as the content of your presentation. Outside the classroom, fluency can help you socialize with native English speaker and avoid misunderstanding. To improve your fluency in English, practice speaking every day by engaging in conversation with someone. Every now and then, through in the word or phrases you must have just learned. But remember, do not let the fear of making grammar mistake hold you back. Now, accuracy and appropriacy. There are two terms, accuracy and appropriacy, which understood. In the language learning, there are four skills to learn a language. Number 1, listening, speaking, reading and writing. Both the terms are most useful in grammar. If we are learning English, we must have the grammar knowledge. We should learn tenses, sentence pattern of grammar. Holiday writing are also concerned with exploring a functional approach to the study of language. A functional approach to language means, first of all, investigating how language is used, trying to find out what are the purpose of language to be fulfilled for us. How are we able to achieve the purpose through LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing. A knowledge of a systematic grammar is essential for the student of English whose L1 is not English. This is because it helps in understanding, and LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing, makes English better. That is why the student of English language must understood the way skills of language English are systematically used within the structure of English. On the basis of this sort of need, I have written this topic, accuracy and appropriacy. The term accuracy and appropriacy in the context of language learning. Accuracy means correctness of language. In accuracy, the speaker had full command of his language. Accuracy is an important skill in language communication with people. Accuracy also means mastery of language. Accuracy is an exaction of word. When we building a group of words, only exactness work will give us accuracy. Accuracy is the most important part of English language learning. Accuracy makes us speedy in reading. Learning language is the most important part of human nature. Communication requires to do accuracy of language. We might many things to discursive things like express our preference in study, discursive things like express our views about a political situation and so on. When we learn any language, we have to maintain accuracy. If the accuracy will stand and correct. It makes us master speaker in the language. In English language, there are 4 ways of getting accuracy. First of all, listening. Secondly, speaking. Thirdly, reading. Fourthly, writing. These 4 skills are most important in the language learning. The quality of language is become of accuracy. It affords many opportunity to train use to say things correctly and to understood the underlying grammar, which will enable us to do this. Now, appropriacy means suitable words of language. Appropriacy can help us in spoken written language. If all words are suitable as a grammar system and use the correct sentence in the appropriate language, it makes us proper use of language in spoken, and appropriacy is must in English language. Written law. There are many words which should have appropriate manner if we will write or speak in English language. It arise many different meanings of different words. Sometimes one's word have also two meaning, like the words write, R-I-G-S-T, R-I-T-E, W-R-I-T-E, W-R-I-G-S-T. There are only difference between the spelling, not in the problem, but the pronunciation is the same. R-I-G-S-T right, R-I-T-E right, W-R-I-T-E right, W-R-I-G-S-T right. Spelling, 4 pronunciation and 6 meaning. If we use appropriate words in the sentence, it shows our mastery in a language. We have to keep also the mastery in the functional English. When we use grammatical words in English, we have to keep our mind about tenses, sentences and structure. Now, importance of accuracy. Accuracy is an important from its side. The essential thing is to get accurate in language. Even if we make a mistake, someone will understand you. If you say, I have been here since 4 o'clock this morning, but they would not understand you if you say, I have been here for 4 o'clock today. This fact, however, that self-consciousness learners do not like the meaning, making mistake, and that is why they have to strike a careful balance between accuracy and fluency. The main purpose of the language learning is to do communication with the people. If you have not accuracy on a proper way, if you want to become more and more practice on speaking and writing, when you will use accurate language, it's better to understand others. There are so many tips to get accuracy in language, many points carefully, so that you are fully aware. That is different use of some and any. So you do not say things like I want any milk. If you will do more practice, you will get 100% accuracy. That's meaning you are not allowed to make a mistake when doing accuracy. Exercise. You are allowed by mistake when you are doing fluency. Now, this much for the day. In my next class, I will discuss about importance of accuracy. Thank you.